Oh my, oh, Kanye West.
Oh my god, I cannot believe that we are at the grand finale. I could be a little extra and maybe not do the grand finale in this video. However, the grand finale is here. This is our last day in Colombia. But of course, I had to give you a recap, because why would I just make the assumption that you have watched every video? You have not. Okay? But I'm so sad this is coming to an end. I'm really, really sad. But I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it, editing it, and of course, Colombia.
Hello, future me. Yeah, I'm white because sunscreen. But today is day 5. Last day in Colombia. I've been terribly sick, so that has been no fun at all. But yeah, this is the outfit of the last day. Let me show you. Her outfit for day 5. She's copying me.
Hello. She's upset because we're late, and apparently
everybody's always late. For real.
Who is everybody?
Somewhere in 5 minutes.
Who is everybody?
I literally woke people up since
who is people?
And told everybody.
Who is people?
From an hour ago.
Who is people? Who is people? I went to the bathroom as soon as somebody was at the bathroom. What are you talking about? I was literally fast stuff. Huh? Who's people, bro? Do not ever travel with anybody that you are not close with. See, me and her are like peas in a pod. We're not even like peas in a pod. We are. I was literally not late. Both of them were late. Both of them took so long. But somehow it was my fault. She was too mad. Like, why? It's not my fault, bro.
It's a video.
Oh my, oh, Kanye West.
Oh god, that's so funny. That is so funny.
One of the funniest things ever that happened here was that Miss Ma'am and him were being called Rihanna and Kanye West. It was quite funny. I was called Rihanna too, and I was just like, I would nothing like that woman. I don't. But this was a lot of fun, a lot of fun. So I'm going to be leaving the original audio in it so that you get to see Colombia, Comuna 13 through my eyes. They were such great dancers.
no valía, de mis lágrimas cayeron a tus pies. Me miraba en el espejo y no me hallaba, yo era solo tú. Sin Mandy no hay perreo, vete, que la tipo como una que la pelota no la mansa. Le toca tata, se me ve, no me dijo que la puerto bendito me lo quitó. Y le mano de falta, nadie sabe si esa manto no. Ella que es lo que quiere, venga que es lo que.
As you can see, we were having a lot of fun. The dancing was awesome. It was great. So then we went on to see the murals as well as the graffiti. So there's actually a really big difference between graffiti and murals. So you gotta get that right. Also, if you ever go to Colombia, please do not spell Colombia with a U, okay? It's a O, capital O. So we were learning about the history of this place, what happened here, the literally bombs that were just dropped here. And not that long ago, I swear to God, we were like 1 or 2 years old when this happened. This happened, I think, only 20 years ago. So it was great learning about the history and what has been done with this place. Something so tragic that happened here being made into something so beautiful and so fun. I love that they took this into their own hands to redefine their own history. I do not know how they built this. I do not know how they built this, but it was epic. It was nice. There was also a really cool escalator. I'm not sure if I got any footage of that, but if I do find it, you'll see it. If not, you can just enjoy the murals, enjoy the beauty of the art, because each one has a specific meaning and a reason it's there. I do have to say this again because it is very, very important for you to hear this again. No matter what happens to you, you can always change your story. This was one of the most dangerous places in the world in the 80s and 90s, but has been turned into a place of beauty, a place where people can come and share love, share music, share food, and dance. I really enjoyed my time here, and I learned a lot from this experience. You can redefine your story, and you can tell your story. I don't think I have seen anything this beautiful in my whole life. The mountains were the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Up here? No! I even know cars could do this. Like, I'm looking on the road.
Ali, you better dance. Dance.
That's probably scary.
He's too scared.
Mountains were so treacherous that I was really anxious, but my personal bully decided to make it a joke and make fun of me like she does and give me even more anxiety.
I'm scared. Like I could break it. I could die. Okay, so yeah, I'm so scared. I may just not do it actually because I don't really have to. No. But you know how high up we are in the mountain? It's like, what about you?
I am scared, but I'm like, if I die, this may be for good reason.
What?
When I'm trying not complain. You say really to paraglide? I better see.
You are not scared of heights, girl. You know I'm brave. I don't lack brave courage. I've got lots of that one. But I must say, I'm freaked out. Real bad. Real bad. And
We went to bungee jumping.
4 hours. 4 hours? I'm scared. Yeah, I don't know. I terrified. Like I'm having like an actual heart attack. I can't even explain it. Oh, but look, I see people up there. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know if you can see them.